Ever wondered if you could turn your passion for online selling into a profitable venture without the hassle of traditional inventory? Well, you've probably heard of Spocket. But the real question is, can you really make money with it? Let's break it down. Spocket is a dropshipping platform that connects you with suppliers, primarily from the US and EU. This means you can sell products online without having to store them yourself. It's a fantastic opportunity for budding entrepreneurs, right? The potential of Spocket. Absolutely. Here's why. Niche-friendly products. Spocket offers a wide range of products, from tech gadgets to home decor, making it easy to find items that align with your niche. Fast shipping times. With suppliers located in the US and EU, you can offer faster shipping times to your customers, a major advantage in today's fast-paced e-commerce world. High-quality products. Spocket carefully vets its suppliers, ensuring you offer quality products to your customers. Easy-to-use platform. The platform is user-friendly, making it accessible to both beginners and experienced sellers. The reality check. While Spocket presents the promising opportunity, it's important to be realistic. Success in e-commerce, like any business, requires hard work, dedication, and strategic planning. Here are some factors to consider. Competition. The dropshipping market is competitive, so you'll need to differentiate yourself to stand out. Marketing costs. You'll need to invest in marketing to attract customers. This could include paid advertising, social media marketing, and content marketing. Profit margins. While Spocket offers competitive pricing, you'll need to carefully calculate your profit margins to ensure you're making money. Tips for success with Spocket. Niche down. Focus on a specific niche to target a dedicated audience. Build a strong brand. Create a strong brand identity to differentiate yourself from competitors. Optimize your store. Ensure your online store is user-friendly, fast-loading, and visually appealing. Provide excellent customer service. Respond to customer inquiries promptly and professionally. Continuously learn and adapt. Stay up to date with the latest e-commerce trends and adjust your strategy accordingly. Can you make money with Spocket? The short answer is yes, you can. However, it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires effort, dedication, and a solid business plan. By leveraging Spocket's tools and following these tips, you can increase your chances of success. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.